What's up, guys? Today we are driving into the fog. It's really foggy, and honestly, fog is like Chukar Hunter's worst enemy because, you know, you need to be able to see to shoot birds for one. Safety is always a factor. You gotta bring your Onyx maps because, you know, it's easy to get lost in the fog. If you've ever been out in the fog, you know you can get turned around pretty easy. But we're still gonna go out and try to find some birds and hope that the fog lifts. If it doesn't, we'll probably end up heading home. But sometimes it does. I think that's Reed booing me.
No, that's the fog.
Ah, that's the fog. I thought I was getting booed.
Well, that too.
Just like I'm saying fog isn't good, and you know, I don't know. Anyway, thank you for that. That's Reed on the foghorn, and lost my train of thought. Going hunting, foggy, gonna try to get some chukar. Thanks, Reed. Reed. Oh. Following some fresh tracks. Oh yeah, bunch of them right here. Oh yeah, got ourselves quite the covey going here. Cutting back that way though. That's not track. You got tracks? Bunch of them. Okay.
They all end?
Well, I've been following chukar tracks and coyote tracks, and it looks like a coyote got one before me. Well, the first spot we went to ended up being a bit of a bust. We saw a lot of tracks, but we're gonna move down the range a little bit and hopefully get into some birds. Whoa! The gimbal on this camera probably made it seem like that wasn't as big of a slide as it was, but the truck really just went sliding. Reed's Doritos just...
We're totally fine. Totally fine.
Reed's Doritos were on the floor. I think he got them okay. But yeah, it's pretty snowy and crazy today. Man, I was all keyed up there. There were tracks. I thought I was in a good spot. And this rabbit jumped out 5 yards from me. And I thought it was a chukar. I don't know if that ever happens to you guys, but you know, you're kind of in the zone and something moves. Whew, got my heart going.
Come on, Doyle. Oh, it's a rabbit. Oh, I was about to murder that rabbit.
I mentioned in another video that I recently lost my German Shorthair Tory. And I recently got a new puppy, and she's 11 weeks old. And out here today without a dog, I am really missing her. I really want her to get out here and grow up super fast and come hunting with me. Because hunting without a dog is tough, especially when you're used to it. I just kind of feel like I'm walking around in the dark, just bumping into stuff, and maybe I'll see a chukar, maybe I won't. But she's a super fun puppy. She's a quick learner, and I think next season she'll crush it. But this year I just kind of got to take whatever Doyle will give me.
I got two. Yeah, I got them both. I could tell Doyle was getting birdie, and I had seen tracks just a second ago, but he wasn't like locked up or anything. Doyle, you are moving excruciatingly slow. Now's not the time to get old on me. You right in there? Yeah, where is he? Oh, good boy. Good boy, Doyle. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Okay. All right. I'll take it from here. Well, guys, we turned this day into a non-skunk day anyway. But come on, Doyle, there's one more.
If you guys saw our last video, it was 5 tips for hunting chukar without a dog. And one of those tips was, after you shoot a bird, make sure you mark where the bird goes down and you mark where you shot from so that you can go back and reference it. And that tip actually applies when you have a dog as well. So that's what we're doing right now. Reed just shot 2 birds and he marked where his spot was, and we're having trouble finding the second one. Doyle found the first one no problem, but the second one is eluding us, and I think we had him looking in the wrong spot. So Reed's going back to his shells, and he's going to kind of point out where he thinks that bird is. And this can be a really effective way to find birds because, you know, you go, especially when you get 2, because you'll go try to find one, you'll kind of lose your bearing on where everything is once you find the first one. And so if you know, does your birds give up? If you know where you shot, you can go back, relive the experience, and probably find that second bird once you kind of know where you're going.
Oh yeah, okay. So I was standing right here. Okay, and so based on where that is, like I shot one, we found it down there, another one, boom.
Look by that. Well, you tell me, but I have my idea where I think it might be.
Yeah, sort of. I'm gonna leave my vest right here as a marker. Oh, I think Doyle just found it. Doyle, my man! You are old as hell, but you're still my guy. Still the king among dogs. Well guys, hope you enjoyed our chukar hunt in the fog. If you really enjoyed the video, do me a favor and click that like button and leave us a comment. And we'd really appreciate it if you could hit that subscribe button. It really does help out the channel. Thanks again for watching.